You cannot shake the loyalty of a Caterpillar customer. They are tried and true. We have dealt with Caterpillar for generations. This is our 76th year in business, and so we've had good relationships with Caterpillar, the manufacturer, and they've helped us in terms of product flow, in terms of pricing, in terms of taking care of the customers when we need to cross outside of our area of responsibility and we need some assistance. They're very good to back us up and support us. Caterpillar has a lot of loyalty in the marketplace, and they have had for generations. It has a history, it has a tradition, it has a following, a lot of loyalty out there, and long, well-deserved reputation for quality in terms of the number of miles that can accumulate. And the second and third owner, when they see that it's Caterpillar equipment, knows that it's solid, it's reliable, and it can exceed 1 million miles and have a second life, third life, dependably.